Really pretty, nice and sparkly. I cannot stand it when you have a shimmer shade and it barely looks shimmery. No, girl, that's not what I want. This is what I want. Nice, shimmery, glittery, and bam in your face. I love it. Hello everyone, my name is Stephanie and welcome to Glammedupmomma, where I post beauty videos every Wednesday and Friday. My goal is to find the best beauty products out there and share them with you so you're not wasting your money on things that are just not worth it. With that being said, today's video is no exception. We will be reviewing Luna Magic today, which is a new beauty brand over at Walmart, which was also featured on Shark Tank about a year ago. It's created by two Dominican sisters. And yeah, we're gonna see if it's worth your money or not. And if you guys are interested in how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're gonna jump right into it. I already prepped my eyelids with some concealer, primer, as well as set the crease. So we're gonna start off with some eyeshadow today. I don't know how much fallout this is going to have, if any, so I wanted to start off with the eyes first just in case so I don't ruin the rest of my look, because I'm trying to look good, girl, not trying to look crazy with raccoon eyes. So we're gonna jump right into it. This is their Cosmopolitan Palette. It retails for $16. Cute, has some neutral shades, some pops of blue. This one here is Calling My Name, so we're definitely gonna have to use that one. However, we are going to start with Milan, this yellowish orangey shade. Go in with a fluffy crease brush. Not too much kick up, which is great. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right in the crease. It's building on itself very nicely. Very pretty. I like that. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Well, it's building and blending beautifully. No, yellow shades can give you a hard time sometimes. Okay, so now that we have that all in the crease, I want to go in with Paris, this shade here, on a smaller crease brush and kind of deepen up that crease. Pretty, okay. Well, that is blending right in very nicely. I like that a lot. No patchiness so far. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more, deepen that up. I'm a little sad there's not any more matte shades in this palette. I wish there was like a brown or something like that in here. But that's okay. We could always take it from another palette. Cute. So far it looks like some sunset eyes for sure. Do the same thing over here. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush and just blend out those edges. But those two colors really did blend well together. Very nice. Now, let's go in with some sparkle. We are gonna go in with Istanbul now. And I'm just gonna pick that up on my finger, tap off the excess, and just put that all over the lid. Nice and sparkly. Yes, girl. No fallout from that orangey red shades. And not too much fallout from this golden shade. I'm just building it up here on the lid. That looks really pretty. Really pretty, nice and sparkly. I cannot stand it when you have a shimmer shade and it barely looks shimmery. No, girl, that's not what I want. This is what I want. Nice, shimmery, glittery, and bam in your face. I love it. I'm gonna go back in with that crease shade Paris. And I'm just gonna go over this here. Pretty. Let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna pick some more up and do the other eye. A little bit of fallout from that glittery, shimmery shade, but nothing too bad. Now, let's go in with Barcelona. And I'm gonna go in with a little brush here and put it in the inner corner, just to brighten that area up. Pretty nice and sparkly. There's a little bit more blending out here, girl. Okay, now we also have their liquid liner. This one here, which retails for $7. It's a matte black shade. Let's get that on out of here. And we're gonna create a little wing here. Let's see what we get. It's easy to use, but it's not that black. It's looking a little more pigmented on camera than it actually is. It's kind of sort of going over that shimmer shade. Actually not really. You can see the shimmer popping through the eyeliner here in the middle. It goes over itself nicely though. I know a lot of eyeliners, once you try to go over it after doing it the first time, it'll like pick up the eyeliner underneath it, which is just crazy to me. But no, you're able to go over it with this. All right, well, I got the job done. Is it the most pigmented black liner I've ever used? No, no girl, absolutely not. But we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye and be right back. Okay, so I finished up the eyeliner and I added some mascara, some lashes, as well as foundation, concealer, and bronzer. And we're going to get right into the blush that they have here. It is in shade Maribel. It retails for $8 and there's also a couple other shades. This one lands right in the middle. There's like a hot pink, darker hot pink shade, as well as like a neon pink shade, and this one is right in the middle there. It does have a little bit of shimmer to it, which is nice. And we're just gonna add that right here. And on the other side. Pretty, nice and pigmented. Nice shade, I like that a lot. Okay, cute. And now we can get into the highlighter. This is in Tulum. This retails for $8 as well. They have two shades of this. This is for light to medium. The other one is for medium to dark skin tones. Add that here. Cute, nice and shiny. A little bit down the nose. Okay, let's take a look at this up close. Pretty, blends right into the skin. Very nice, okay. Very cute, I like that a lot. And we also have their brow pencil, which retails for $7. I have it in the dark brown shade. They also had a black shade, which I was tempted to get since my eyebrows are so dark, but I think this should be fine. It has a spoolie on one end and like a triangle teardrop shape on the other. I'm gonna brush these brows out, girl. It's filling in very nicely so far, nice and creamy. And that shade match is great. I'm glad I did not get that black. I like that it's very cool tone. That's perfect for my brows. Okay, well that's worked very nicely. Cute. Got a full brow now, girl. Yes. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. Okay, well that turned out really nicely. I like that shade a lot. That blends right into my brow hair perfectly. I love that. Okay, so last but not least, I did get a couple of glosses. This one in shade Sister. It's more of a neutral peachy kind of shade. And then this one in the shade Exotic, which is more of a pinky shade. I'll swatch them both for you here. I do think I'm gonna go ahead and use Sister today, but let's see how this one looks. All right, well, that is a Barbie pink shade. Cute, but not the look that I'm going for today. Oh, and I forgot to mention that this brand also has eyelashes, but they looked way too long for me, and I am not down for the Snuffleupagus look. I like something a little bit shorter because I have smaller lids. Well, not that much lid space, and yeah, those were not gonna work for me if I were to get those, so I just did it on my own. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off. Okay, I'm gonna go back and go in with Sister now, and these do retail for $8, so not bad. All right, that's more like it. That goes a little better with the look here. Pretty, much better. I like this shade a lot, Sister. All right, and I almost forgot about my bottom lash line, so we're gonna go ahead and go back in with Milan. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with Barcelona and put that in the inner corner. I know we did that earlier, but kind of lost its shine there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and fix this hair up and show you guys my final look as well as my final thoughts on everything. Okay guys, do I look like a new woman now? Because I sure do feel like it. This is the final look. What do you guys think? How did it come out? Now, my thoughts on everything. The palette is a really nice palette. I do love how shimmery and sparkly these shades are. Well, the Istanbul and the Barcelona shade that I used. So definitely would recommend this palette. I believe it's 16 bucks. Pick it up if you're into these shades. If not, they have different palettes with different shades that you can pick up if those speak to you. Let's see what else. We have the eyeliner. Is it the best eyeliner in the world? No. I like that it builds up on itself nicely, but there's cheaper eyeliners out there that work better, so wouldn't recommend that. Their eyebrow pencil, however, is really nice and creamy. The shade is spot on to my brow hair, so if you have brow hair similar in color to mine, then definitely pick it up. It's really, really nice. Easy to work with, and it has a spoolie, so yes, girl, need that. The blush and highlights, they're pretty. They work. They look nice. Gave me a nice look here. Do you need them? The highlight was really nice and shiny. I think it looks a little bit shinier, a little bit more pigmented on camera than it does in person. The blush is nice, blends out really nice. I like that it's not a flat matte, but it's not the best blush in the world. And then the glosses. If you are into these hot pink shades, then you could pick it up. I don't think I'll be using this, so this one will be going back, as well as that eyeliner, girl, because it's not going to be just taking up space here, just chilling. However, this one is really nice. I do like the shade a ton. It feels really nice on the lips. It's not sticky. Doesn't create those weird like lines. Ugh, disgusting. Doesn't create those, so it's not too gloopy. And yeah, it's really nice. I like the shade a lot. So pick this up, the brow pencil up, as well as the shadow palette, because these three right here are gonna be worth your while. Tried these shades out, or if you've already tried these products out, please let me know down below and what your thoughts were. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to join you guys again at the end of the week with a new video.